If you're looking for a good lockpick set, I would recommend this. This is the Echelon pick set by the company Covert Instruments. And why I picked this set, because I like the bag that it came in. This is also a magnetic case. So I'm gonna just show you. So if you was working on the door and it was metal, it would stick to the door, as you can see. Now let's look at a couple of the tension wrenches, picks. So you see they're coming in different sizes, and the smaller the size, the thinner the pick. As you can see, that's a 20,000 milliamp. This is 25. See that a little bit thicker. You get a couple of rakes. You got a dimple pick here. This is for safes. Comes with this, and also this case, it stands up as well. It has this in it, and everything fits nice and snug. But the reason why I got it is because of the tension wrenches. The three sizes that they have. They have large. It's hard to see the sizes on there. This is like a medium, and this will be a small. Then they have these tension wrenches too that you all get. You can use the bottom, or you can use the top of the keyway tension. So let's just grab a lock real quick and a pick. So I like to start off with like tension one side and give a little rub, and then start raking with this pick. And we open. But because of this tension wrench, it gives you that angle on your finger. So if you are interested in this set, or you're looking to get a good set, I can link the company name and the lockpick set. Thanks for watching.